I have a question for you. What's better than a deal? Seriously, what's better than a deal? How about free? Introducing Joe's free sample gang sheet, available today at JoesDTF.com. All right, I'm going to show you guys how quick it is to get yourself the free sample gang sheet. All you have to do is go to JoesDTF.com. And then once you're there, right on the home page, there are some floating banners right there that say Joe's DTF Hot Mess Sample Gang Sheet. Those are clickable. You can click right on those. That'll bring you to the sample icon. And then once you click that, it'll bring you into the sample. I will show you another way you can get it. You can click the merch booth icon right below that, and you can scroll down and you can kind of get a gauge of the library that we're building here. But once you go to the sample icon right there, it'll do the same thing. Bring you into the sample, click it again, and now you're right there ready to check out. But before we go there, we're gonna check out what's actually on this gang sheet. So everything that's on the gang sheet is already fixed at a size. The colors are how it is. There isn't anything you can do to manipulate it. It's just a sample sheet. So I am accumulating transfers that are ready to go. Now, these are some samples of stuff that we've been working on that we're gonna have available right on the website. You get to test them out on this free sample sheet. So when you click on the first icon, you can see all the artwork. You can zoom in, see the colorways. It even says what size these transfers are gonna be coming to you. And some of these are pretty large. Like the top two are 12-inch by 15-inch. So that's a solid size to cover an entire shirt. If you scroll down, you can see all the different styles. I'm definitely going for throwbacks. I'm a musician of many years. I'm an actor, I'm all these things. So these are just little passion projects that I just kind of threw together. But I'm curious what your thoughts are on some of the styles of the artwork. And then of course, threw in some Joe's DTF logos. I'd love to see you guys rocking those and sharing with me. This is what the sample sheet is. Again, it's free. You can click out of that. You can see how the designs sit on a shirt, and these are just examples. And I'm a fan of black, so I use a lot of black shirts for examples. The color of the shirt or the color of whatever you're applying on will kind of affect the overall design, because as you can see, there are areas where the garment will show through. So you want to make sure that the color scheme kind of matches with the transfer that you're going to be using. And if you're just testing it, I guess it doesn't matter. But if you're using this for your personal use, or you're giving it as a gift, or whatever you want to do with these samples, try to make it work with the color scheme. That's where you get to have fun with it. But I also want to stress, again, with the sizes, I have to keep hounding that a heat press is very, very important with DTF. I'm going to keep educating this along this journey with Joe's DTF, is that having a heat press is the only tool that you have to have available to use. The rest of it is let us do it. We're going to be printing. All you got to do is get that artwork uploaded to us at Joe's DTF, and we'll print for you. All you do is apply. But a heat press is going to be the best way to keep it consistent and cover the most amount of space on your garment. If you're using a home iron, just be very diligent on the setup, making sure that the temperature is right, making sure that you're using even pressure throughout the entire transfer so it can last. But there's a lot of variables with it. Anyways, I digress. On the other side, on the right side of the sample sheet, you'll get to actually see in detail some of the design influence and some of the background of that. And then when you keep scrolling down, I'll have the application instructions for a heat press right there available for you. Fast applications, low temperatures, hot peel. So this is, you're talking less than 15 seconds in total for each application. Wait about 24 hours before you wash it. And that's that. So it's a free sample sheet available for you guys today. Just go to JoesDTF, follow these instructions. All you have to pay for is shipping. It's not bad. So just when you check out, it'll say, you know, fill in your information, and then it'll be just a small shipping fee, and that's all. For a 22-inch by 60-inch full gang sheet that's free for you. So check that out today. I love to see what you guys do with these samples. I'm here if you have any questions. Make sure you're following along. I appreciate you all so much. Keep being a rock star.